Hello everyone, welcome to Bluesun channel. Today we will introduce a 2.0 megawatt solar energy system with a 2.4 megawatt lithium battery. The project will be installed in Zambia. Here we go. This is the PCS of the whole solar system. The power is 1.725 megawatt, and the foundation of it is convert the AC to the DC. Two sets PCS will be connected to this AC distribution cabinet, and for this foundation is connected the two sets PCS and with the loadings. This one is independent EMS and to monitor the whole solar system. Let's visit the container configuration. It's a 14 high-cool outdoor container with IP54 protection glass. Its container is divided into two areas. This part is for battery rack to accommodate lithium battery and high voltage control box. This area is for two-series transformer, convert 619 voltage into the 400 voltage. If you have similar needs, welcome to contact Bluesun for more details.